So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Bang & Olufsen speaker to Windows PC. First of all, we have to power on the speaker with this power button. Next we have to click and hold this Bluetooth button until it starts blinking blue. There we go, right now we can release. And on your device all you have to do is just to open the Bluetooth settings. So let me do this right now. Go for the Bluetooth devices. Of course, we have to turn it on with the switcher and then click to add device. Select Bluetooth device. And now just wait for your speaker. Here we can find it, so click on it once. And after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. There we go. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.